Go to Reports menu, select Equity Derivatives Gain Loss, select STLT Speculation. Click on Details Profit, Loss with Rate. Click on Script-wise Total Summary Average Rate. Select Short-Term Long-Term Speculation. And kindly check STLT Speculation Summary. Go to Reports. Select Equity Derivatives Gain Loss. Select Short-Term Long-Term Speculation. Select Short-Term as per FIFO purchases squared within 365 days. Click OK. Refer Short-Term Transaction Details. Select Long Term as per FIFO purchase held is more than 365 days and now square. Refer Long-Term Transaction Details. Click OK. Select Speculation Report Intraday Transactions. Click OK. Refer Speculation Intraday Transaction Details. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.